In this episode, we'll talk about the market as it stands right now and what XRP is facing at a very important level. Because XRP is selling at a high level right now, you'll be excited to hear what comes next. The number of people who are against Bitcoin is actually going up. That's a pretty good sign. So let's take a look, shall we? Bitcoin is worth 65,562 Ethereum, which is about 6% less than its all-time high of 3,300 Ethereum. It is down 7.19% from its high point in USDT and USDT, which are both pegged to the dollar. As for XRP, it's only worth 58 cents, which is 4.42% less than the $487 billion that the cryptocurrency market has reached so far. It's really simple to understand. Which way should we go next? Let me explain. You already know where we're going. We are going inside to listen to Bitcoin some more. As I already said, the current goal is between 60 and 64,000, which is a CME gap. The next target is likely to be in the low to mid 60s, which we will likely. We knew this would happen the big Bitcoin. Half of what happens when Bitcoin is split in half happens every 4 years. Prices go down after the split. Right here is where people will start to fix what we see. They scream, "Oh my God," and kick as the bull runs over all of them. The other coins were taken away from XRP. Not at all. This is where people like me and the smart people who are watching my movie and taking notes come in. The messages we are getting from the crypto guards say that this is likely to be the last dip we will ever have, so all of this knowledge will be useful. They want us to add a few more of these old coins now as a last chance. Now is the time to quit your 9-to-5 job and start doing what you love, which is making material for other people, because your life will change in Q3, Q4, and Q1 of 2025. This is your one and only chance. That is something I would rather not hear. They wish they had bought something cheaper. It's being brought to you now. I wish there was one more dip. That's all there is to Bitcoin 60,509,000 bada boom, bada beam. We're going to move back. The bull run will keep going. It's not like this is happening now. You already know that this summer adults will start to move around. In Q3, Bitcoin starts to gain back. We're getting close to 100,000, have passed 125, and might even pass 150. Let's look into that more. $175,000 range right now. At age 65, people are stressed out and crazy. There's no reason to listen to them since I just bought some crypto bags last week. I think I have some extra cash, but I'm not sure how much. The markets have lost value and are going down. I really do think I've lost $1,000. I'm not going crazy over what it is. How do I behave? I'm really looking and changing. This is a cryptocurrency that I bought. All right. I'll tell you right away, right? It slipped my mind. Arbitrant okay, I paid $165. It cost $144. How do I behave? These are the numbers that I bought for $7,500. I gave $65, and in return I got X tokens. The same math is being done to figure out how many tokens I would have gotten at $165 and $7,500 at $144. What can I do to make up for the gap? Just that I need another one. $1,500, but now it looks like I only paid $144 for everything. See what I'm looking at right now? You should be looking at the same thing. People love it. Look at the XRP picture, everyone. All through the 24-hour period, when you look at the 90-day and 30-day charts, it's in the red. But when you look at the other 4 charts, it's mostly in the green. I know it's not, though. On Twitter, everyone is talking about how great it is. Everyone sees her as a queen, so no one should touch it or even look at it. Really, no one should buy it, and it shouldn't even be in the top 10. It might cost as little as $3 or as much as $10. We are now at a 60 CX ray. You can take as many naps as you like on it. I know how much it costs, though. You've been following the station for a while now, so you know where the price is going. We are getting ready, even though we haven't seen it tick off yet. Over there, something exciting is going to happen. That object is going to burst into space. There will be a lot of change in the summer of Q1 and Q2 of next year. After that, we are going to talk about how prices are found and the all-time high. It is one of the last ones to leave, and it will leave. The crypto area is very exciting right now, and I know I'm about to go off on a rant. We haven't talked about any news that we probably won't talk about again. We're in the red because we're talking about the most important thing, which is the state of the cryptocurrency markets right now and in their normal state. People are going crazy, so this movie needs to be released with real cryptocurrency. Bitcoin looks like it's ready for a nice rise if it stays steady at this point, supporting the XRP BTC matching support zone, which supports the idea that XRP does better than Bitcoin. We keep these levels. The XRP to US dollar chart shows that we want to keep this green box, which takes us to about the 57C zone. What should we get ready for if we keep this 57C area? With everything we've talked about and the tips we've given to beat Bitcoin, Brad Garlinghouse has already been on a lot of business and news shows. Jinghouse will be on Fox Business, CNBC, and a lot of other shows. It wouldn't surprise me if Julia went back to G House and asked him about XRP's success. Using Bitcoin, Brad, you believe this is it, but why? That's exactly what she's going to say. Write it down, and he will definitely say something like utility, folks. He said with the biggest smile on his face, this really solves a problem. What are you looking for right now? We just need to keep XRP exactly where it is. It's very simple. If we can do that, we'll be in a great position thanks to how strong the connection between XRP and Bitcoin is. This is going to take off and do better than Bitcoin, leaving nothing behind. Our first goal is to get to the 75C area, which is very important for XRP to break through. We'll finally be able to talk about it if we can do that. You already know that once we hit the dollar level, which is about $1 XRP, the next stop is $150. I have a strong feeling that things will get worse from there after we take a short detour. It's likely to start going up quickly and hit its highest point at around $2.80 or $3 if you want to do some simple math. As soon as that is broken, we are in price. Things are getting interesting now that I'm in the discovery process. This bull run from 2017 to 2018 seems a lot like the one we're in now, doesn't it? Without a doubt, it does, and XRP will have his big blow off top there. This morning, I wish my crystal ball would work because I want to know how high we can fly. At this point, no one knows about it because once you break all time, no data is above the all-time high price. It is impossible for a picture to show where the price of XRP will go. However, we have told you about a few possible goals. The XRP prices you could aim for are $7, $10, $14, and $16.